What is the Industrial Internet of Things? The Industrial Internet of Things (IIoT) is the use of smart sensors and actuators to enhance manufacturing and industrial processes. Also known as the Industrial Internet or Industry 4.0, IIoT uses the power of smart machines and real-time analytics to take advantage of the data that dumb machines have produced in industrial settings for years. The driving philosophy behind IIoT is that smart machines are not only better than humans at capturing and analyzing data in real time, but they are also better at communicating important information that can be used to drive business decisions faster and more accurately. Connected sensors and actuators enable companies to pick up on inefficiencies and problems sooner and save time and money, while supporting business intelligence efforts. In manufacturing specifically, IIoT holds great potential for quality control, sustainable and green practices, supply chain traceability, and overall supply chain efficiency. In an industrial setting, IIoT is key to processes such as predictive maintenance (PDM), enhanced field service, energy management, and asset tracking. How does IIoT work? IIoT is a network of intelligent devices connected to firm systems that monitor, collect, exchange, and analyze data. Each industrial IoT ecosystem consists of connected devices that can sense, communicate, and store information about themselves, public and/or private data communications infrastructure, analytics and applications that generate business information from raw data, storage for the data that is generated by the IIoT devices, and people. These edge devices and intelligence assets transmit information directly to data communications infrastructure, where it's converted into actionable information on how a certain piece of machinery is operating. This information can be used for predictive maintenance as well as to optimize business processes.